Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to use this formula a minus b whole square. Okay, so let's see how to use the formula a minus b whole square and when to use it. For example, if we have a question like this 2x minus 3y whole square, at that time we have to use this formula. Okay, so how will you know that you have to use this formula? Because there are two terms in bracket and there is negative sign in between them and there is a square. So you can compare a minus b whole square with this bracket, it looks similar, right? The only difference is in place of a there is 2x here and in place of b there is 3y here. That's it. So what you have to do, you just put the values in this formula. In place of a, put the first term, that is 2x, and in place of b, put the second term, that is only 3y, not minus 3y. Okay, this is very common mistake which many students make. So you have to put 2x in place of a first term and 3y only, not minus, in place of second term b. So just putting the values now. Okay, a square is 2x square minus 2 multiplied by a is first term 2x into b is second term 3y plus b square is 3y square. Now 2 square is 4, you have to square x also, it will be x square minus 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, x and y as it is plus 3 square is 9 and y square is y square as it is. So simple. So friends, I hope you will be able to solve similar questions like this. Okay.